Hiya! Today I'm doing a bright pink eyeshadow look using the Strawberry Shake palette from Colourpop. I'm going to start with the shade My Milkshake on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply that to my crease and blend it out. I'm using windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend. There is some fallout with this shade, but it wipes away easily with a face brush. Now I'm going in with the shade Daiquiri, but I'm trying to stay more in the crease and not bring it up as far. And now I'm using the shade Take a Sip, and I'm going to pack that in all over my lid. I go back in with the shade Take a Sip on a flat liner brush and go over my lower lash line. And then I'll blend it out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And finally, I hit my lashes with a dark dramatic mascara. This look would also look beautiful with a pair of false eyelashes. And there we have it, a bright pink eyeshadow look using the Strawberry Shake palette from Colourpop. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you never miss a video.